I'd like to welcome you all, ladies and gentlemen, to the Amsterdam Drone Week 24.
The RAI is seeking for cutting-edge technology towards the future, just to push industries forward.
So when we first started talking about AAM, it was quite a lot of sort of sales pitches. This is what we could do. But now we're sort of getting into, all right, you know, this is becoming implementable and we need to operationalize things. So what are the conversations we need to have in order to make that a success?
We also understand regulations take time, and I think these things need to mature and need to happen properly and well. Every country has its own flavor, but they're building on each other's experience, and I try to stay optimistic.
The European Commission forecasts a vibrant future where UAS services market in Europe alone could reach 14.5 billion euros by 2030.
EASA and ICAO are looking at, European but also worldwide regulation to see, okay, how can we migrate manned and unmanned traffic management from that perspective.
Safety, collaboration, and harmonization are all drivers for why we are here today.
Having interesting topics, but also leaving the freedom for things to be discussed.
Ook met het toekomstperspectief van U-Space, autonoom vliegen, automatisch. We moeten gewoon mee als politie binnen deze ontwikkelingen.
I think we're continuing to see some tremendous advances in the vehicles themselves and the type of capabilities they offer. So I think we're still having very good development in the actual vehicles that industry is providing.
It creates the visibility that this technology is not fantasy or science fiction. You wouldn't spend so much money and so many efforts to bring these people together if you would believe it's not happening. It's happening already.
It's all about collaboration. We need all stakeholders to make this happen.
The global approach is very important, and we very much appreciate this Amsterdam Drone Week.
I think it's a great initiative to bring all of the industry together and definitely showing that we're all working in the same direction to make this a reality very soon.